Okay, keep coming straight back. Easy now, you're clear on the right. Hold it right there, we're good. Keep them moving steady now. Gate 3 is open.
The pH levels look good?
Confirmed. Trough 3 is clean.
Make sure you get the underside of that one.
Got it. This one is clean.
Open the gate, let's move him through.
Opening now. Ensure the digital record is updated before release.
Washing quality confirmed. Prepare for vet examination.
Copy that. Moving Bulls to Station 2.
Did you cross-reference the vaccination lot?
Yes, the system shows full traceability. Quality control check complete. Easy now, big fella. You're doing fine.
Vitals are excellent. We're all set here. Okay, the skin turgor looks good, but note the slight swelling on the left hind leg. Noted, doctor. Note the gait on the left hind. Some slight rotation there. Recording lameness score 2 on the left rear.
Medical personnel review all examination findings and complete factory health reports. Digital systems store veterinary records securely.
The results are all within tolerance.
Confirmed. Finalizing the approval now. Verification complete on Lot 5. All health records are compliant.
Confirmed. We are cleared for transfer.
We need to adjust the sleeve length by 2 millimeters here.
Okay, ensuring the grain line is consistent across all sizes.
What do you think of this pattern? It's perfect. Go ahead and mark it for production.
Workers use precision drilling equipment to create attachment points in the horn pieces. Every hole is carefully positioned.
Polishing quality is excellent. Assembly is secure. All right, this one meets the standard. Approved.